What's up? I'm Torrell Tafa.
What's up?
What's that smell?
Who ate my chips? Yeah, Dad, he ate it all.
And did you know I used to be a flight attendant? So I was based in New Zealand, but I worked for an Australian company, Qantas. I applied for New Zealand, didn't get the job. I worked for about 3 years and a half. Yeah, I used to tell everyone I was a pilot, but I was just a flight attendant. One of the best experiences I had doing this job would probably be the staff travel that you get as a flight attendant. There's me at Dubai. Got to experience this, which was super cool. You know, when you work somewhere, you get discounts. We basically got discounts to travel the world. If I had 5 days off, I'd get to travel to Brazil. There's the time I went to Rio Olympics by myself. As you can see, lonely. But it was mean though, it was mean. I went a lot of places by myself, but it was awesome. That was probably the coolest part of the job. So I was lucky enough to meet my partner flying, so you can say love was in the air. You know, we were serving and she said, you know, chicken, beef or fish, and she had me at fish. I looked over, I was like, whoa. This is me and Ali in Turkey. This is probably, I'd say, the best moment of like travel that I've ever had. This part was like magical. So this is in Bali, and me and Ali got to travel there quite a bit. Like we're getting paid to be in a destination and just have fun. So that was probably the coolest part of the job. The hardest thing about this job probably would be missing all the events like birthdays, celebration events, everything like that. Just wasn't here for it because we're always traveling overseas, which is great and amazing, but you know, you miss so much because you're away. What a poser. I'm not like this anymore, I've changed. My missus takes my photos now. Good morning everyone. So today for the menu we have chicken, fish or salmon. What am I doing? Talofa, the floor is lava. Fika male pese ki vale esa ulu fele ile au fai pese. Hey, ho!